So here I'll show you how you can create your Slack app. So you visit slackbot.opxia.ai website, click on add to Slack. This will take you to the setup guide. So the first step is go to this URL. Now it will ask you to authenticate. You can authenticate with your Google account or whatever is your Slack account. Once you authenticate, you will start seeing this screen. Click on create new app from manifest. Select your workspace. Click on next. Here it will ask you to give your manifest file. So you go back, copy this manifest, paste it here, click next and create. This will create your OpxiaBot app. Now you need to have 3 tokens in order to install this app. First of all, you will come here on install app and you will click on install to Opxia or whatever is your workspace. Allow. Now this will actually install this particular app on your workspace. You can go back to your workspace and now you can see that I have started seeing this particular app called OpxiaBot, which is online. I will copy this particular bot token, go to step 2 and I'll paste this here. Go to step 1 again. And now what I need is the signing secret. So the second thing what I do is I'll go to basic information and you can see the signing secret here. Click on show and you can copy this. Come back. Step 2, paste this signing secret. Now the third thing that I need is your app level token. So what I'll do is I'll come here, go to basic information, scroll down and I will see the app level tokens. Click on generate tokens, give the token name as OpxiaBot demo tokens. Click on add scope, connections right and generate. This will generate a token for you. Copy this token, click on done, come back here, step 2, paste your app token. Now once you placed your app token, you will see that your installation command is now ready. You copy this command, come to your terminal and then simply paste and run this command. This will install and start your application so that you can just directly start using your app, your bot from Slack.